I was just chilling in my ELA class with the rest of my class, and we were reading an interesting book called All Quiet on the Western Front. And for those who don't know, All Quiet on the Western Front is a book that primarily talks about World War I and all of the struggles about it. So after we finished reading a few chapters, we had a whole class discussion about how everything was negative, 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 negative. Everything was negative. And wait a minute, I forgot to tell you. Welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So allow me to tell you how I got my unique thought by just simply looking around. So back to what I was saying. All that we had to say in the discussions were negative things. But maybe this is true. We all know war to be negative. But in those 4 years of war, just something good should have happened. Like talk about trade. Did trade increase for some countries? Did they get wealthier? Or how about ammunition? The company selling it or the people in it must have gotten wealthier as well. And now you might be like, Amishi, don't talk on a big scale. We don't know that for sure. Okay, fine. I'll slow it down a bit. Let's talk about a smaller scale. Someone could have been blessed with a child. Someone should have gotten married. Or did the entire world just completely shut down during that time? I'm sure that's not the case either. So any authors that specialize in this, if you're listening to me here today, this is where my unique thought comes into play. How about someone tries digging in a little bit deeper and figuring out all of these happy moments as well? Because nothing can just be totally horrible. That's when we're not balancing out the scale. Because we know war to just be extremely horrible, extremely brutal, extremely tragic. Of course, yes, it may be. But what about those good little moments so we don't think so harshly about war? So like how I said, if any author, you're thinking about it, how about you name a new book, title a new book, Pure Happiness, or Forgotten Happiness in the Grim. Let me know what you think. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.